Namaskar. Today we'll take on a chapter number 4 of Physical Geography of India. And in chapter number 4 is distribution of oceans and continents. Why you can say all continents are together once? There are so many reasons for that. There can be one reason is continental drift. That has been mainly all continents were together at one point, but they were drifted from one another. अगर आप लोग पूरा कॉन्टिनेंट को देखें पहले तो दे मैच टुगेदर, बहुत सारी मैचिंग होती है, तो जिससे हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि दिस ऑल कॉन्टिनेंट्स वर टुगेदर. बट वी हैव टू गिव द एविडेंस फॉर दैट. सो देयर वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु हैज गिवन दिस थ्योरी अबाउट इट. द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन वाज Abraham Ortelis. He was a Dutch map maker basically, and he gave this proposal that is all continents were together and they were part of single continent. Later on, this evidence was discussed by a person again from German, that is Alfred Wegener. So he has given a very important theory of the world, that is continental drift theory. So he called whole continent was a part of one continent, and he named that continent as Pangaea. So Pangaea is the total land mass of the world, and the oceans which are together there, we don't have oceans which we call this is the Atlantic Ocean, this is Pacific Ocean, whatever oceans, they were all together at one point. That area was called Panchalasa, and the area which is not part of the continent is called Eurasia, and the southern part of the continent is called Gondwana. So this was there. So he has given his theory, but to give this theory they have to give some evidences for that. What are the reasons why these continents all separated from one another, and what are the reasons why he has given this type of theory? So he tried to give this theory because he wanted to match all the continents. तो उसने मैच करने की कोशिश करी और ये प्रूव करने की कोशिश करी कि सारे कॉन्टिनेंट एक थे. We have a game called Jigsaw. Jigsaw is a game that you see, we can interconnect the pieces of that game into one. तो ऐसे ही अगर हम लोग देखें शोर लाइन्स देखें साउथ अमेरिका एंड अफ्रीका को अगर हम लोग देखें तो दैट कैन बी कनेक्टेड टुगेदर. तो अगर इन लोगों को मिला दिया जाए तो इनमें बहुत सारी सिमिलरिटी आपको देखी जाएगी. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मैप हैज बीन मेड बाय अ पर्सन कॉल्ड बुलैंड, दैट इज 1964. सो देयर आर सो मेनी अदर रीजंस आल्सो. अगर हम रॉक्स को भी देखेंगे, आप ओशंस को भी देखेंगे, तो वी हैव सो मच सिमिलरिटी. Like we have so many ancient rock that is found in Brazil coast. It's very much similar to rocks which are found in other parts of the world. ऐसे ही अगर हम लोग marine deposits को भी देखेंगे साउथ अमेरिका और अफ्रीका के, they all belong to one age, that is Jurassic age. We have so many geographical age in geography. One age is called Jurassic age. तो उसमें आपको marine deposit भी काफी similar नजर आते हैं. Then there is a word for tillit. Tillit is what? It is a sedimentary rock mainly formed by a glacier deposits. तो glacier deposits से जो sediment deposits होते हैं उनको हम लोग tillit का नाम देते हैं. That we have found in different places and that is very very similar from one continent to another. So we call it as a tillit. Then we have placer deposit. These deposits are very important. जितने भी हमारे costly minerals होते हैं that has been found in these placer deposits. So we found same range of vein which is moving from Ghana to other part of the world. तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो इन एरियाज में सोना मिलता है. तो ऐसा क्या कारण है कि सिमिलरिटी आपको घाना में भी दिख रही है और आपको साउथ अमेरिका में भी दिखती है. तो वी फाइंड सेम टाइप ऑफ वेन ऑफ रॉक व्हिच इज देयर. देन वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फॉसिल इज वेरी वेरी सिमिलर. तो अगर आप फॉसिल्स को भी देखेंगे कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे थे कि आपको सारे कॉन्टिनेंट में देखने को मिलते हैं. तो वेरी सिमिलरिटीज देयर. नॉट पॉसिबल that one type of vegetation is found in another part of the continent. So if you see in India, Madagascar and Africa, there are special type of animal which we call lemurs. So this type of monkeys are mainly there. So we find there in it. Then we have play called Lemuria. This type again a very important animal which we find in this continent. Then we have special type of fossils which we have found, that is called Masosaurus. That we have been found in South Africa and Brazil. हमें ये एनिमल जो पहले टाइम में मिलते थे तो वी कॉल इट एज अ मैसोसोर. मैसोसोर का मतलब है कि आपको दे हैव फाउंड इन साउथ अफ्रीका एंड ब्राजील. सो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ फॉसिल्स. So we have distribution of fossils that is almost very very similar. So the map was drawn to show all the fossils which have a similarity. Then we have some forces. What are the forces which are responsible for drifting of the continent? ऐसे क्या कारण रहे कि आपके इतने heavy continent, इतने strong continents, they drifted from one another. So we have two theories which has been given. One is called polar fleeing theory and one is tidal force. But these two theories are not actual giving a proper evidence for that. इतना फोर्स इनमें नहीं हो सकता है कि आप इतने बड़े बड़े कॉन्टिनेंट्स को शेक कर पाए. So but later on after this theory was published by Alfred Wegener, so there was another theories which are coming to prove this evidence was right. So हम लोगों ने ocean की mapping करना शुरू किया. So a lot of map work has been carried out through oceans. So that theory is also coming up. So first theory which is very important to prove this continent drifted from one place to another, that is called convectional current theory. The person who has given this theory was Arthur Holmes in 1930. So he told that there are different temperature currents which are responsible for drifting of this continents. और आपके बहुत सारे radioactive elements होते हैं जो interior of Earth में मिलते हैं. Due to these elements, these continents used to drift. But this is not a possible theory because the force generated by this is not possible to drift such a big continent. Then we tried to publish something from ocean. Ocean से हमने कोशिश करने की कोशिश करी. What are the reasons why these continents drifted from one another? We find so many features, especially in oceans. We find ridges, we find deep trenches. Ridges क्या होता है? छोटी छोटी पहाड़ियाँ जो आपको oceans में मिलती हैं. So we have so many big network of trenches which is very deep. We find in oceans. So we come across mid-oceanic ridge which is very active, and this mid-oceanic ridge is very important for volcanic eruptions. So आपको maximum volcanoes आपको oceans में दिखते हैं. So how it's possible that oceans have this type of features which are similar in continent also? Then ocean floor is covered by a lot of things. अगर हम देखें आपका पहले continent बने थे, उसके बाद oceans बने थे. But how can you prove it? Because the sediment which is there in oceans, this is quite younger as compared to the sediment which are formed by continent. तो हम लोगों को ये भी देखने को मिलेगा. और आपके ridges बहुत equal distance में हैं और उनकी age भी आप लोगों को similar सी नजर आती है. So that may be the reason why we can call this all continents work together. Then we have ocean floor configuration also. We find lot of physical features in oceans. One is extensive plain. हम लोगों को पहला प्लेन नजर आता है क्योंकि अगर आप ओशंस को देखेंगे तो सारे प्लेन्स ही हैं. देन वी फाइंड स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ रिज. कहाँ मिलती है हम लोगों को? इट इज फाउंड इन कॉन्टिनेंटल मार्जिन में हम लोगों को मिलती है और ओशनिक रिज हम लोगों को देखने को मिलती है. देन इफ यू सी सो मेनी डिपॉजिट सेडिमेंट्स आर डिपॉजिटेड एट कॉन्टिनेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्टिनेंटल सेडिमेंट्स व्हिच आर डिपॉजिटेड इन इट. So we have so many volcanoes and earthquakes area also which are very similar in maximum continents. तो आप देखेंगे volcano और earthquake zones जो होते हैं they are quite parallel to the coast, and we have a special type of ridge we call mid-Atlantic ridge where we find lot of volcanoes are very actively there. Then अगर हम हिमालयास को देखें, alpine regions को देखें, their age, their formation is quite similar to one another. There is a special zone of volcanoes which we call ring of fire. तो हम लोग उसको ring of fire बोलते हैं. That we found in Pacific Ocean. तो यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे volcanoes देखने को मिलते हैं. Then we have mid-oceanic ridge. अगर आप देखेंगे तो mid-oceanic ridge को they are almost interconnected mountain system. तो अगर आप देखेंगे mid-oceanic ridge का मतलब क्या होता है कि ये छोटे-छोटे पहाड़ हैं और एक interconnected है. That is the longest mountain chain in ocean floor. तो आपको बहुत सारी चेन दिखेगी छोटे छोटे पहाड़ों की. दैट इज फाउंड इन ओशन फ्लोर. वी हैव मेनली इट इज मेड अप ऑफ अ सेंट्रल रिफ्ट सिस्टम और क्रस्ट में इनका फॉर्मेशन होता है. वी हैव स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी व्हिच इज कैरिड आउट इन इंटीरियर ऑफ अर्थ, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटेंस वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी, दैट आल्सो फाउंड इन इट. देन वी हैव अ कांसेप्ट ऑफ सी फ्लोर स्प्रेडिंग. जब वॉल्केनो का इरप्शन होता है मैग्मा लगातार आपका बाहर निकल रहा है. So this type of theory has been given by a person called Hess, that is in 1961. So he tried to give how mid-oceanic ridge has been formed. Then we have plate tectonics. Our Earth is mainly made up of plates. So this theory has been given by a person called Mackenzie and Parker and Morgan in 1967. He told that all Earth is mainly made up of tectonic plates, which he termed as a lithosphere plates. तो आपकी वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारी प्लेट्स हैं. वी हैव सम मेजर प्लेट्स, वी हैव सम माइनर प्लेट्स. अगर हम मेजर प्लेट्स की बात करेंगे तो वी हैव अंटार्कटिका एंड सराउंडिंग ओशन प्लेट इज कॉल्ड वन प्लेट, दैट इज मेजर प्लेट. Then we have second plate which is there, that is North American plate. Third one is South American plate. Fourth one is Pacific plate. That include India and Australia. Then fifth plate is called New Zealand plate, and sixth plate is called African plate and Eurasian plate. Then we have different type of plates. इनकी बहुत सारे different होती हैं. One is called divergent plate, one is called transform plate, one is called convergent plate. What this divergent means? Divergent में क्या मतलब होता है कि they diverge from one another. One plate is in this side, another plate is in the other side, opposite side. So that we call it a divergent plate. One is called convergent plate. Convergent plate क्या होता है? When both the plates are coming together at one place and they converge in one to another. Lot of restriction can be caused by this, and this is called convergent plate. Then we have transform boundaries. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि आपकी ऐसी प्लेट्स जो ना तो कोलाइड करती है ना ही डिस्टेंस पे जाती है, दे यूज्ड टू स्लाइड फ्रॉम वन अनदर, व्हिच वी कॉल इट एज ए ट्रांसफॉर्म बाउंड्रीज. एंड देन वी हैव सम सोर्सेज ऑफ हीट. हमारे को हीट अर्थ से कैसे जनरेट होती है? वी हैव सो मेनी रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स आर देयर व्हिच आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर गिविंग हीट टू अर्थ सरफेस. देन वी हैव मूवमेंट ऑफ इंडियन प्लेट्स. हजारों साल पहले अगर हम देखेंगे जिस पे इंडिया बसा हुआ है, तो दैट वी हैव फाउंड स्पेशली इंडियन प्लेट. तो इंडियन प्लेट में हम लोग देखेंगे कि पहले इसकी पोजीशन ऑस्ट्रेलिया के क्लोजर थी, लेकिन कई सालों के बाद इट हैज बीन स्टार्टेड मूवमेंट एंड इट रीच टू इक्वेटर. देन आफ्टर द इक्वेटर नाउ इट हैज रीच टू इट्स ज़ीनत, और जहां आज इंडिया को आप देख रहे हो, तो दैट्स इट. सो दिस इज अ चैप्टर. आई होप यू लाइक इट. थैंक यू.